If you're heading off to uni this year, then whipping up a batch of these for your new roommates is likely to score you just a few brownie points. They take no time at all to make. You'll likely already have some of the items in your cupboard. It uses up those bananas that are probably going to end up in the bin or composter, and it doesn't involve much washing up. Pop your peeled banana in the mixing bowl and give it a good mash. I know it looks a little bit lumpy, but that's just a banana, it's all good. Then throw in your sugar, salt and oil and give that a good mix. Now pop in your flour and baking powder. Okay, so now the recipe says that you should make a well in the middle and gradually whisk in your milk. But I just tend to just pour it all in and stir, and it usually turns out okay. So what you want is a nice, thick, but still droppable batter. I'm not sure that droppable is an actual word, but hopefully you know what I mean. Pop a little oil in the pan, let it warm a bit on a medium heat, and then pour about 2 tablespoons of batter in to make 1 pancake. Pancakes usually take about 2 to 3 minutes to fry on one side. Just keep an eye out for the top to start getting bubbly. Then it's time to flip it over. After all of that incredible effort, it's time to load it up with your toppings and enjoy. Totally deserved. Let us know how you got on with making these pancakes by including hashtag #MHFutureproof in your posts, and find out more about the campaign at www.malvernhills.gov.uk/youth